Welcome to Cardamone Law University, translating the Pennsylvania Workers' Compensation Act into plain English for injured workers. It's Mike Cardamone here, and today I wanted to talk about the Notice of Temporary Compensation Payable. This is a confusing document issued unilaterally by the insurance company adjuster or claims rep when they want to temporarily accept a workers' comp claim, but also it allows them to wiggle out and not admit liability where there's a little bit of uncertainty regarding the compensability of the case or the extent of liability. So if you're an injured worker and you receive this document, it's not a full acceptance of your workers' comp case. It's just a notice saying that for now, as they investigate, they're going to pay you either medical benefits alone, called a medical only notice of temporary comp payable, or medical and wage loss benefits. And if they're including the wage loss benefits, they should include the average weekly wage and your workers' compensation rate, which is the amount of your actual check every week. So don't be fooled. If you get this, we call it an NTCP, the Notice of Temporary Comp Payable. That means the employer or their carrier is initiating compensation for a period up to 90 days. So what happens is if you don't see a notice stopping or a notice of denial within that 90-day period, it automatically converts, meaning the notice of temporary comp payable automatically converts by law into a regular notice of compensation payable, which is a full acceptance of your case, again, either for medical or medical and wage loss benefits. So if nothing happens and you don't get anything in the mail within that 90-day period, that's a good thing. It'll convert over to a regular acceptance of your case, and then it puts you in the driver's seat. Regardless, you want to get an attorney, especially if you get the notice of temp, because if they end up denying your case, you'll have somebody to jump in and file the claim petition, basically appealing the stoppage of it or the denial of the case. And also, if there's an NTCP and it converts, the attorney's not going to get paid anyway because you already got the benefits yourself. And so we just end up monitoring those cases until they drag you into court to try to reduce your benefits or until we reach a settlement. So there's no downside. In fact, you'll make a lot more money getting the attorney involved. The stats are pretty clear on that. So call us at 215-206-9068. Or you can email Michael at cardamonelaw.com. That's MICHAEL at CARDAMONELAW.com. We'll give you a free and comprehensive analysis of your entire case as well. But in any event, getting back to the notice of temp comp payable, the 90-day period for the temporary comp benefits begins on the first day that the injured worker is entitled to receive disability benefits as a result of the work injury. So keep that in mind. Sometimes the adjusters mess that up on the document. It'll have a date of this notice and a date of when the 90 days is up as well. And we'll take a look at that for you also. So if you receive this document, it's important to call us and we'll tell you how it relates to your case and what to look out for. But again, the important thing here to note is that it's not a full acceptance of your case. So if you start getting checks, it doesn't mean they're going to keep coming. That's the key word is temporary. So if you get the notice of temporary comp, that's different than a document called a notice of compensation payable. And I know this is confusing, so we're trying to simplify it here, but you're probably still going to have some questions. And again, call us at 215-206-9068, and we'll analyze it as it relates to your situation. All right, that's all for now from Cardamone Law University, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.